Pray for crits, everyone, please.
Pray for crits and just don't get hit.
Yeah.
Countdown going out. True. Remember, when you're like, as you're going out, you're gonna have to dodge. So.
I moved back in too early.
Hello. Did I get an auto shot?
No. We didn't have people shields.
Oh.
Because I needed to pop food.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. Fine. Oh my god, I need pop food too.
Food weave.
East west.
Six-sided stars in a crazy loss.
Tanks are close. Party is out. Party is out. Two 4 is safe. 2-4 is safe. Do not get clipped. Yeah, and you can put out the pet. Yes.
The ranged are going to start east. After the kick.
Knockback. Tanks are close. Party is out. Tanks are close. Party is out.
Make sure aggro.
Yep.
Two DPS aren't topped. Are you guys gonna live?
I'll shield.
I have
I got it.
And
Yeah, we're good. Yeah, they're doing fine.
we're missing midi. That never hurt that much.
I didn't shield it,
Okay.
but I think it's better.
Just making sure.
Reprisal.
Oh shit, I'm moving. This will be fine.
Leon is popping.
Leon is popping.
Do not go too far.
But these are intercard ones. Be careful. Mantra.
Careful.
Going.
She.
Careful, Chi.
No, it's a half loop.
I'm going
Last one,
out.
last one. Quick.
I'm going out.
Up it.
Got us.
Yes. such a fucking scary mech.
Did Samurai get uptime?
Yes, Samurai and Monk got uptime. I think.
We're up on DPS.
Pryzel, we need to be topped.
That's bad.
Chi.
Heal, heal, heal.
Should be fine.
Oh, 1,000.
Christ.
Feeling good?
Mm.
Feathers, everyone.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Stay in your tower.
Stay in stand.
We got LB.
LB is
Yep.
up. Use it whenever comfortable.
Tank
Yeah, I need to
busters.
wait for this.
Tanks are close. Party out. Party out.
15 seconds till technical.
My reprisal.
Pot.
Then I shield.
Buster.
Technical charging.
Brotherhood.
I potted by the way, Chi.
I pot it too. I potted a bit early because I'm busy here.
Yeah. Okay, we should be fine.
We got this. Let's keep it clean and consistent, guys. We got this.
Opposite of your tether.
Back
I am
down.
going out. I am going out.
Rotation
Ow.
soon.
Dodge both.
Wow.
Dodge.
I'm going out.
I'm hurting.
HP.
We're good.
Looks like I got them.
Get ready.
Going out.
Dodge both.
Dodge.
Dodge both.
Going out. That almost goofed us. We're good.
Last one.
In for shake.
DPS is on track. Keep it clean.
Keep it up, everyone.
Do not
We
take a
got
damage
this.
down.
We got this.
Don't get cleaved.
Opposite of your tether. Opposite of your tether. Dodge both. Dodge both.
I'm going out.
Healing.
Gun's a bit low. I got him.
Nascent on him.
Going out.
First spoke.
Leon's a bit low too. Yeah, he's good.
I'm going out. I'm going out.
I'm going out in 5 seconds.
Dodge
Going
Watch
out.
the cleaves. Watch the cleaves.
Dodge both.
Going out.
Watch the cleaves. We're good.
Okay.
Going out.
No more cleaves. I'm LBing before burst.
Heal this. Heal this. Big.
Kill.
Teching.
Searing.
Brotherhood.
Tech out. Tech
Seriously?
out.
gonna
Buffs
miss
are
it,
up.
easy.
Burst.
Burst
This is
everything.
burst. Don't even fucking heal.
We got
Kill
this.
this.
Got this.
Kill this
Push, push,
motherfucker.
push, push, push,
Kill this
push,
fucker.
Push, push, push.
He's fucking
This
dead.
game's
Dead.
easy, dude.
Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go!
What's the timer? What's the timer? Can we watch cutscenes?
Yeah, you can watch. We have like
Okay,
20
cut
minutes.
shit. That cutscene sucked.
8:21.
Give me that.
8:21.
Good shit.
What?